Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to Essence Pharmacy and Perfection. Today we'll talk about how to sleep better even when you have anxiety. Sleep is one of the main pillars of health, right up there with good nutrition, exercise, and mental peace. And why it's essential to know how to improve sleep and anxiety. Here are some steps. Lack of sleep and weight gain, sleep and beauty, how to improve sleep with anxiety, how to create a sleep-inducing bedroom atmosphere, and finally the final thoughts. Lack of sleep and weight gain. When you get into a rhythm of constant sleep deprivation, the body reacts by changing the release of appetite and hunger regulating hormones like leptin. A hormone inhibiting hunger goes down. Furthermore, studies have shown that when sleep deprived, we are much more likely to have sugar craving and make poor food choices like fatty fried food, junk food that you usually avoid. And yes, even our sex drive goes way down. Testosterone in both men and women is decreased, which of course lead to intimacy problem. Next step is sleep and beauty. I doubt there anyone who doesn't want to look as young and as fresh as possible. Well, your body has its own mechanism to ensure. Lack of sleep seriously interfere with the body production of collagen, a protein that gives our skin an elasticity, and only after a few sleepless nights we can notice our skin looking dull and lifeless. So beauty sleep is definitely a thing. Third step, how to improve sleep with anxiety. An anxious mind filled with a constant stream of unsettling thought is most certain way to keep yourself awake. How can you calm a racing mind? Here are some steps. Give journaling a time. Our day are so overfilled with information, events happening. We are constantly in a go-go mood. So taking 30 minutes in the evening to write down all pressing emotions, ideas or thoughts provoked during the day is a great way to unload your mind and prepare it for the bedtime. Second is the cut out screen time in the evening. There are two reasons for reducing screen time in the evening. First, the blue light from the screen, phones, laptop, TVs, etc. is inhibiting the production of the sleep hormones. Secondly is the abstain yourself from screen time in the evening. In the evening is touching on the same point I made earlier. We don't need to overload our mind with even more information. Every social media post you read, every news update is an essential piece of information that you need to process. So be careful with where you waste your energy and emotion. Third is the reduced caffeine intake. Okay, you knew that is coming. I'm really sorry, but if you are having sleep problem, afternoon coffee should go. Personally, after such research, I've decided to cut out coffee as a whole, and I have seen a lot of positive changes in my overall well-being and sleep quantity. Fourth point is the meditation. Meditation is a great tool for stress management. If you've never tried meditation, it might feel a bit awkward at first and you probably have a hard time controlling your thoughts. Fifth and the last point we'll know is create a solid nightmare routine. Our brain love habits and we should have advantage of that. Create a nightmare routine that you do every night before sleep. Anything that calm your mind, bring you joy and can turn into a healthy habit. Your brain will start to connect these activities with the following rest and sleep. To solidify this habit, aim to go to bed at relatively the same time each night. Another point is how to create a sleep-inducing bedroom atmosphere. And this we have some points like declutter your bedroom, keep it cool, keep it dark, and take your comfort seriously. And declutter your bedroom, it is mostly mental thing, but messy or cluttered room are hardly a nice place to relax or sleep. So keep your bedroom nice and clean. Keep it cool. Take its temperature at a constant temperature bedroom. It can be 16 to 80 centigrade. Make sure to let enough fresh air in before bed. Keep it dark. No surprise here. The darker the bedroom, the better you'll sleep. And take your comfort seriously. Invest in high quality mattresses, pillows and bedding. It will help you a lot. Fifth and the last point is the final thoughts. Sleep is crucial for our health. The quality of our sleep determines the quality of our lives. Take any measure you can do to guarantee yourself a better sleep. All of the suggestions above can bring you closer to your goal of quality, deep sleep. Just be consistent. Building habits take time. Sweet dreams. Thank you for listening. Do you have any questions for me? Comment below.